choosing America's Morning Headquarters here on this, what is today, Thursday?
Thursday.
Today's Thursday.
It is Thursday. I thought it was
First of the
Wednesday,
month.
so I'm feeling
well,
good.
You're feeling good, yes. Moving the week along. We are here to get you through the mid-morning hours and making sure you are getting the weather you need to plan for all of your big events ahead. Talking a lot on the show today about the fact that it's December, so we're looking ahead to winter and back to hurricane season.
Yes, hopefully far back. Hopefully we're done with hurricane season. It seems like we are.
Yeah.
But now it's transitioning to snowstorms, and that's a big thing coming up.
Yeah.
Snapshot time.
Problems for travelers, and we're watching your forecast for you. It's rain, actually, that's an issue around San Francisco. We got a couple more hours of rain left here, and then that's going to actually sink just to our south, and we dry out for the afternoon. But we've got snow coming in big time in the Sierra Nevada. This is where we have winter storm warnings up here, getting plastered with snow. Certainly recommend not traveling because of how difficult it is down here. And then we also have some snow into the northwest. Winter weather advisory for you in Seattle. Yes, snowflakes have been flying, and the moisture on the move too, moving through Idaho up into Montana. We're watching all of this right now in California that will eventually transition over through Nevada and into Utah. And yes, Seattle, we're underneath the upper level portion of it. Snowflakes flying around. It's cold. Temperatures are 32 degrees. Snow cover out here on the roads always makes it a mess. It's just really hilly when it comes to travel. The airport's been keeping an eye on any delays. Still no delays right now. I saw some cancellations, running about 15 to 17% of flights in or out that were canceled. So check ahead. But we can see flights are coming in and leaving. So it's definitely still operating here in Seattle. It's not that much snowfall. You'll just maybe your ride to the airport is going to take a little extra time. Now let's dive down into California. It's raining right now in San Francisco and San Jose and the whole Bay Area. Rain through Sacramento. We've got I-5, which is really wet. Traveling 80. Once you make it up into the mountains, you're probably not. I mean, there's a lot of issues out here with the low visibility, the snow falling, making the road slippery, but also the strong winds. We may see winds in excess of over 100 miles per hour at the peaks. I mean, we're talking about high elevation. 45, 50 mile per hour winds is what maybe the more widespread wind across that region. But that spreads in through today and tonight. Sinks south, moisture comes in. Salt Lake City tomorrow morning is going to be a tough commute for us at the peaks. I mean, we're talking about high elevation. 45, 50 mile per hour winds is what maybe the more widespread. We'll, I think, mostly be watching for rain across this area. Sunday's highs, so we'll see a lot of 30s and 40s. All right, so yes, 'tis the season for all of this, Alex. I mean, it's sort of right on cue, December 1st, and
Yeah.
we
Got some snow, we got some cold.
Snow and cold.
That's what we deal with. Now, one of the best parts about the arrival of December 1st, it means that we can generally say goodbye to the hurricane season. Take a look at
Snowpack. Let's go to Nashville. No snow in our forecast. In fact, the sun is back out today. It'll be a little chilly, especially to start, but pretty good day ahead for you in Nashville. So maybe you're going to take a walk outside later today, take advantage of the nice weather. Know that the clouds are coming back and the rain is back in the picture on several occasions, starting at least in the early part of the weekend. So I want to get to your forecast here in Nashville. A lot going on. I mean, always in Nashville, but especially this time of year with all the holiday luncheons and then evening parties and then events going on, maybe Zoolumination you're going to this weekend. Saturday night looks okay, but look at all the rain on either side of it. Now, Saturday, we actually warm up to about 60 degrees. However, rain is around for the first part of the day. Get a break Saturday night and then rain back in with cooler temperatures by the time we get to Sunday. We've got the subtropical jet hanging out over here, and the moisture just stays around. So Saturday, the moisture comes north. That temperature of 60 degrees is a little misleading. It's probably not going to be that warm out just because it'll be kind of raw and with the moisture in place. And then we do look at rain back into the picture Monday and perhaps into Tuesday. The subtropical jet, the reason why it stays around, there is a little disturbance that comes in that helps just give us a little more rainfall chances. That comes in as we get to the second part of the weekend. In fact, through the southeast, you see a couple of chances of rain. Your travel impacts. Look how windy it is. You know, outside of the snow, this whole area has a wind advisory today. It's 45 mile per hour wind gusts in Watertown right now. So things need to be secured. All those inflatables and everything else outside, Alex. Yeah, I mean, I wonder if you even bother putting them up because this is our windy season, you know.
Right. It's almost like you're taking it down every other day. It's
right.
like,
right.
My goodness. Well, all right. One of the best parts about the arrival of December 1st, well, it means hurricane season. Well,